Howdy. I hope everybody survived this power outage, down trees. What a nightmare they gave us. I have opened up my washer and dryer for people of Cottage Grove. If you need help, I'll see what I can do. I have limited resources, but what I have, it's here for you. I did, in the dark, trying to start a fire, stab my finger with a rusty nail. Then it started swelling and tingling. I was like, oh crap, I better do something. So, if you scroll down, Heal Yourself Wellness, you'll see one of my other dorky videos I have made. And it's Old Man's Beard. It's a lichen. And this lichen I made into a tincture. I used apple cider vinegar and soaked and tossed and turned the lichen until I created something that is similar to a doxycycline. And if you go through the video, you can see that doxycycline is different than penicillin. Doxycycline is something you take as a preventative to an infection rather than a killer of an infection. So, I soaked my finger in Old Man's Beard tincture. It only took about 15 minutes. Swelling went down. Finger's still here. God made herbs perfect for us. When man took those herbs and isolated the active ingredients, they wipe out all the other supporting ingredients that help our bodies absorb and process that medicine. So while they are concentrating the active ingredient, you're not able to absorb and process it the way it was meant to be. Therefore, much of the time, herbs can work better than mainstream medicine. And I've proven this over and over again. We're going to be coming out with some new services here. I am a big believer in IV nutrition, especially for MS with vitamin C flushes. I'm hoping that they can do blood smears as well, due to the amount of cell stacking since the pandemic started. So we will be offering IV nutrition starting in 2 weeks. Sign up now. We are getting booked up. Bring friends, family, and come heal at Heal Yourself Wellness. Learn something new while you're here. Every new member gets an hour free remedy collaboration. You get access to the herb and tea bar where you can practice making your own remedies. You get access to the front room with other healing equipment. And hopefully we're going to grow into a nice steam room to fix COPD next. Take care, y'all, and happy journeys.